We just got it Wednesday or Thursday, I forgot, but this is the front. That's the front. No eating or drinking except water. And this is some of it. Well, that's some. And then the back, the seats aren't up, but there's 8 seats. So that's my mom's car. And she's really happy that she got a new car now. Doesn't that look nice? It's blue, but you can't really see. Why are you guys talking so loud? I can hear you guys all the way from out here. Well, boom. Okay, well, that's my dad's truck. Fine, I'll show my face, but not my hair. I'll try. Okay, and that's my mom's old car. What would you like better? Wait. That one or that one? Now, there's 8 seats in that one, then there's 7 seats in this one. Let's see what it looks like in here. This is what it looks like right here. Ow. Stinks in there. Blech. Then 2 seats, and then there's 3 in the back. So, what would you like better? This one or that one? I would choose the new car. We're giving my mom's car to my aunt and my uncle because they don't got a good car. And they need one. So, the back. My mom got it from Standish, Michigan. She did not get it in November. I don't know what that means. So, okay. So, play. I would rather choose that one of all of my cars because that one's too small. That one's the biggest, and I really like it because it like says a little screen and it tells you when you're gonna back up, and it has this little screen and it shows when you back up. But this one doesn't, so I would choose that one. I love my car. It's new and I like it. So, this is our whole entire house. I have to back up a little bit. This is our whole entire house. We live by North Forest Cafe. Can't really see it, but in the next video I'll show you. So we live on North Forest Cafe. I mean, we live on North Forest Street. We live on North Forest Street, 226. See, North Forest Street, 226. So 226. Oh, sorry. But I'm gonna make a different video so I can show you guys that I live by North Forest Cafe. And also there's that Boardtown house and my neighbors and my other neighbors. I don't like them though.